welcome back to my channel. I am Surendra Tiwari, welcoming once again to all my colleagues, all my friends. And today we have to go through heavy rainfall at Noida as far as across NCR, National Capital Region. So right now we have heavy rainfall we have to go through. So I have just came out premises of my company to watching the rain. I feel extremely excitement, much happiness whenever there is a rainfall. So right now I'm standing on the road. I'm standing at the road with umbrella. So we have heavy rainfall. बारिश का बहाना है, जरा देर लगेगी, ये रोग पुराना है, जरा देर लगेगी. बारिश का बहाना है, जरा देर लगेगी, ये रोग पुराना है, जरा देर लगेगी. Heavy rainfall. Rain has started again, once again. We are really enjoying in rainy season.